Wait, I haven't tasted
No,
mine.
aspetta un attimo, ragazzi.
Oh my.
No, it's actually...
Wow.
It's spectacular, just like us.
Well,
Ingredients. Today, Eleonora and I will create Nonna Caterina's stuffed shell baked pasta dish. This is an amazing recipe that I've obviously created myself based off of the amazing Neapolitan baked pasta dish. The good thing about a baked pasta dish, Shelly, is that you can create a combination of all your favorite ingredients.
yeah.
Really, you can take a giant shell such as this, which will double in its size once cooked, and you can fill them up with anything you wish and then bake them in the oven. You can serve them as a dish or an appetizer or whatever you want, even as a dessert. Imagine filling a giant pasta shell with a sweet, maybe a ricotta, candied fruits,
Yeah.
cinnamon, and you bake it. So it's a very interesting shape.
It's a dish perfect for any time of the day.
Mamma mia. Actually, old Romans used to have breakfast with ricotta
Exactly.
pastries.
Yeah.
So this could be almost like a breakfast like a Roman god would have intended. For this specific dish today, we're making a quick meat sauce. Very, very fast, okay? We're not gonna be cooking it for 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, whatever. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be to the point, it's gonna be flavorful, and most of all, it's going to be baked in the oven. It's gorgeous, just like you. How to cut an onion, okay?
Very important.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, how do you get around cutting an onion quickly? Okay, first of all, this is the root of the onion.
Okay.
I keep it in. We're going to cut this little bit off. Now it's got a flat surface. You cut it in half. Okay? You see how I kept the root on both ends?
And this is the part that makes you cry. Okay.
See how we're keeping the root?
Yes.
Because it's gonna hold the onion together.
Okay.
So we're going to slice and follow the ridges of the onion. So you see how I'm doing it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go down on this side. Now if you want the perfectly diced, fine diced, we're going to also create little horizontal cuts. Now we're gonna go like this. See? See?
Wow. Perfect.
Mamma mia. That's how we cut the onion. You see how little diced. You like it?
Yep. It's making me cry. It's so beautiful.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Now they do say that if you wet the onion with a damp cloth, it won't let you cry. It will kind of block from spraying back at you. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt is used to extract the water content of any vegetable. So we have all these different vegetables in here. We use sea salt to help extract all the essential juices out of these amazing plants and vegetables.
Now salt the pasta water.
You see, I salt the pasta water sometimes as I feel isn't necessary. The pasta shape is the giant shell. It's thick. We want it to actually be flavorful. Salt makes visible the invisible.
Okay, go.
It accentuates the flavor of something. The thick of the pasta shells needs to have enough salt within it. So this pasta water will have to be salted a little bit more to make sure it goes all throughout the pasta. We have a mixture of ground beef and pork. Smells good, huh? Now you see it's slightly browned. We add the wine. Turn the flame on medium-high and let the wine evaporate, the alcohol, while the wine flavors of those amazing grapes you've chosen stay within the sauce. I think the pasta is al dente. Let's take it out, let it cool down. Now salt, more salt. Well, the thing is, we added a lot of tomato. Mix it with the passion of an Italian. Dai! The sauce is ready. We set it aside, we let it cool down and settle a little bit. Now we're creating the Parmigiano bechamel sauce, which is super different. It's just heavy cream and grated Parmigiano. This is gonna be used to pour on top of the shells. Mamma mia, altro che mac and cheese, ragazzi. Fatevi una cultura. Brava, 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 brava. Now, as you're whisking, we simmer until some of the water content evaporates and it gets creamier. It's ready! We take the shell, it's nice and cool down. We gently press the end so that it opens up. We stuff it like that. Bam, bam, bam.
Let me try.
And now the cream of Parmigiano goes on top. And now it goes in the oven. And if you're curious about the recipes, guess what you gotta do? Subscribe to the newsletter. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Perfection. And this is how you make a very simple baked stuffed shells ragu. You gotta subscribe right now. What are you waiting for?
Right now! Right now!
I love that.